And as some of you may know, the guy who got called out on CBS Mornings for crying. Just another proud moment, huh, Pop? The people at that table are the heart of everything I've done. I've been fortunate to be surrounded by incredible individuals who lead by example, working hard, treating others with kindness, finding laughter in tough times, and embracing failures as stepping stones for growth. I sincerely admit that nothing I have accomplished has been a solo effort. Every award, every accolade has been a shared victory with my family as well as my community. I honestly believe I am the luckiest person in the world. Speaking of my community, I'd be remiss if I didn't give a special shout out to my hometown of Springfield, Ohio. You may have heard of us. Despite the narrative spun during the political campaign seasons, Springfield is home to good people from all walks of life. Our differences don't divide us, they make us stronger. I am a proud graduate of Springfield City Schools, which is also where I launched my teaching career. Go Wildcats. Had I grown up anywhere else, I wouldn't be standing here today. And now, the National Teachers Hall of Fame. What an honor. Thank you to Maddie, Lisa, Bob, the board, and the wonderful town of Emporia for making this experience an unforgettable capstone for my classroom career. I never imagined anything like this was possible, especially when I was starting off teaching at Schaefer Middle School. At 23, I was energetic and a determined young teacher eager to change the world. One of my mentors saw potential in me and shared it with district leadership, leading to a visit from the district science supervisor. I was thrilled, proud, ready to impress. Long story short, that lesson did not go as planned. There was vegetable oil, measuring devices, and flour everywhere, including on several of my students. I was mortified, but instead of criticism, I got encouragement. The supervisor reassured me, laughed with me, and coached me. I listened, I asked questions, observed others, and improved. A strategy that I still use today. Throughout my career, I've had the privilege of learning from many talented educators who generously share their wisdom and time, including my late mentor, Jeff Witt. He is the reason I became a teacher. On that note, my advice to all educators is to embrace lifelong learning, and I encourage everyone in the room to do whatever you can to help create meaningful opportunities for teachers to grow, especially given recent federal cutbacks. My success is directly tied to high-quality field experiences that will read like lost chapters from The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. NASA missions, deep-sea research cruises, archaeology digs, and a year-long fellowship at a U.S. Navy research facility are just a few of my past summer adventures. I'm living proof that if we invest in teachers, they will improve, and in turn, create authentic and relevant learning experiences for their students. It's not rocket science, but it can be. To Green in Schools. Our Green in Schools STEM experiments has been a resounding success. Building a nationally recognized program from scratch with Jim Chan and others, in an economically challenged rural school where students routinely work with universities, national partners, and even earned a United States patent will always be my greatest professional accomplishment. My fellow teachers, administrators, support staff, and the Enid community have always given me unwavering support. Co-teaching, rearranging schedules, allowing for a sabbatical, accommodating unique student councils, including one where the staff shaved their heads to support our secretary. And yes, even letting me put a swimming pool in the courtyard are just a few examples of how my colleagues help bring innovative ideas to life. Greenon has been my family, and when you have a family like that, success is inevitable. My career proves that when a district provides support, trusts its educators, remains flexible, and embraces creative solution, amazing learning opportunities arise for both students and staff. To all in the room, thanks again for an unforgettable week in Teachertown, USA. You have certainly lived up to the billing, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of the class of 2025, we all look forward to coming back in the future and being a part of this wonderful